latest model, GPT-4 Omni. It's not GPT-5, GPT-4 Omni. And one of the things that's awesome about this model is that it has multimodal capabilities, which means it accepts text or image as inputs and produces an output text. And it has the same high intelligence as GPT-4 Turbo, but it's much more efficient. It generates text 2 times faster and is 50% cheaper. Additionally, GPT-4 has the best vision and performance across non-English language of any of our models. GPT-4 Omni is available in the OpenAI API to paying customers. And this is also great because now you have access to their APIs. You can build products, softwares on top of Omni, and the multimodal capabilities. That's a big win for OpenAI. Now, as you know, Google also has a multimodal model, the Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro. And Google did Google did not do a live demo. It when they showcased their model, uh, they put a lot of things together and to make it seem like it was really awesome. I played around with it. It had some inconsistencies. It was great, but I don't think the 1 million context window that Gemini, uh, you know, basically is proud of. It's great, but the overloading of context really slows down the model. So I didn't particularly enjoy my experience uh, playing around with their model. However, when I was um, when I was testing the Omni model yesterday, and it was very interesting because it showed early signs of emotional intelligence. What that means is it can understand how you're feeling. You can send a picture of your face, and it can tell you, how you're feeling based on the photo that it sees. It detects frustration in my language, and it detects emotions pretty much, and it can adapt accordingly. And that means a lot when we're talking about coaches or let's say tutoring and stuff like that. It can offer you words of encouragement to help you, get better and better. So I particularly enjoy that, um, you know, like encouragement when I'm learning something new, perhaps like language learning or something like that. So this opens up a lot of avenues for people to actually start deploying these. If you're an entrepreneur, you might want to look at how you can augment someone else's coaching style with these emotional capabilities and put this in the market as a product so that it can help people. It can tutor, it can do coaching, it can teach people different things. So there's a lot of cool stuff here. And then you have the 128 token context window, which is pretty good. And now, what makes multimodal capabilities? What's different from the multimodal capabilities that we have now versus the turbo model that we had before? Well, 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 that means that it can now answer almost instantly due to no longer having to transcribe the audio, generate an answer, then generate the audio to respond. It The model itself has the built-in capabilities to process audio and then respond with audio. So it cuts down that time for the response. So when you're interacting with the model, you'll notice that the responses are almost instant. And it's almost like you're talking to a real person in some cases. Um, it can speak a multiple language, which is also a big win. So if you are anywhere in the world, you speak Spanish, you speak, you know, Hindi, you speak Portuguese, whatever language you speak, you now have access to one of the best models out there. So what that means is education is accessible to everyone. Like the AI technologies are accessible to everyone around the world. So it's going to bring out a lot of entrepreneurs. It's going to bring out a lot of innovation, and we're pretty much in the early stages of this AI renaissance that we are noticing right now. Um, I'm going to play a quick video I saw yesterday. It was a video about the Khan from Academy. He's a well-known um, YouTuber. He shows a lot of classes in math and science and stuff. So he did a demonstration with his son, showing the capabilities of the OpenAI Omni as a tutor. Okay, let's go check this out.